Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on a private profile in the Threads app so you can control who sees your posts and activity. If you want more privacy and only allow approved followers to view your content, this setting is very useful. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to your app store and search for Threads. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Once it's updated, open the Threads app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, tap on the two lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From here, tap on Privacy, then select Profile Privacy. You'll see the option to switch your account to a private profile. Simply turn it on. Once enabled, only people you approve will be able to see your posts and follow you. And that's it. Your Threads account is now private. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.